Okay, this is me, Miss Edie. This is part 4. I didn't realize that I was so close to the end of the month. And I was talking with Judy Lee on the phone, we're just talking away, and she says, "Oh, it's almost the end of the month." I'm going, "It is." It is. So, I've done part 3 today, so I'm going to do part 4. Part 4 to my giveaway. Please, you've got to watch. I can't stress it enough. Part 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay? Otherwise, your chances of winning are not as good. Anyway, okay, my giveaway will be over on the 31st. So when I get the mail on the 31st or at midnight on the 31st, anybody who hasn't said enter me, okay. The next day, which is September 1st, of course, that's on a Wednesday. I may, anywhere from Wednesday to Saturday, do the drawing. Y'all gonna have to give me a little leeway here if you don't mind. I want to see if I can get Mama Lewis to help me, depending on what day and so forth. Okay, but by the 4th of September, I'm going to do the drawing for sure. Okay, even if I have to do it without Mama Lewis. So, here is my prize for the 4th part of the different things you can win. A paper pumpkin that I've never used. This is, if y'all want to go and look, December 20th of 2020. Well, not December 20th of 2020. December 2020. It has everything in there. If I show it to you, it won't be a surprise. But I never did anything with it. It's not Christmas related. It's just lots of cute things. Okay, including the little stamp dauber. Okay, and then it has a thing of stamps, and then it's got some little goodies that you can do this on. Anyway, it's in the box. So, and the box is cute too, just by itself, to redo. So that will be part 4 of all these different things that I have for the giveaway. Remember, you must be at least 18 years of age or older, reside here in the United States, well, at least have a U.S. Address. Let's see what else. Oh, what else? I had 3 things. Say enter me. U.S. address, 18 or older. Oh, you have to be a subscriber. So if you're not a subscriber, what's your problem? Subscribe. Why? Okay, it's just the ego thing. Duh, Edie. Okay, anyway, this will end on the 31st will be the last day for you to put in enter me. And really it's better if you go and watch all 4 and then each one say enter me, okay? And you will be entered. Now another way you can get extra points is if you want to send me flat mail. Okay, in your flat mail, the stickers, little doodads or whatever, and every 2 little stickers, doodads, whatever. Don't make it so tiny I can't see it. That won't count too much. Anyway, just little things to share. I'll give you a point for each 2, okay? So let's pretend like you had stickers and you sent me 2 little stickers, okay? You'd get 2 points. Or if you sent 2 small little pieces of paper or something that's got a little, you know how we get these things. Whatever you want to call it, embellishments, little cards, those kind of things. Anyway, but if all you've done is said enter me, enter me, enter me, and I draw your name, guess what? You can possibly win. Now, depending on if the person I draw, if they haven't watched all 4 videos, they won't win all 4 thing of prizes. They will only win up to that number. Okay. Anyway, I'll talk about it in the other one, so go watch them. I need to do better notes so I can tell you all this stuff. All right, with that said, remember the fourth part is this paper pumpkin. And the easiest way to do it is to say enter me, but go watch all four and put enter me, be a subscriber, be 18 years of age, and have an address for here in the United States. I don't care if you live in, is there a place that's Timbuktu? Is there really a place? We just have a saying. But anyway, as long as you have a U.S. resident, or U.S. address, and I can mail it there, I don't care. So, okay, with that said, I'm going to end, and if this is as clear as mud, y'all let me know. All right, thank you, and I hope I'll have a lot of people to enter. Bye.